So guys, if you want to make extra money with your writing skills, you need to watch this video because I'm going to review a particular website that pay you up to $6 per visitor to actually read your content. And if you are not much passionate about writing, there is this particular strategy I'm going to review also in this video. It's going to walk you through the entire process. It's a done for you process. You walk throughout the whole world and it's going to make you make more money. So ensure to follow up with this tutorial and I promise you are not going to regret watching it. So let me show you some of the earning I've received through this method. So as you can see, this is 26.59 which I've received with this particular method that I'm going to review in this video. So I've received it through this particular method. So let me refresh to see this money are actually in live money and not any form of a screenshot. So we try to refresh it right now to see. So as you can see, the money are still intact. So I'm going to connect my Stripe account to be able to withdraw it directly to my bank account. So the website I'm going to review today is called VUCA Media. Eventually, you have heard about VUCA Media in the past. It's not advisable for you right now to click off the video because if you click off the video, there is high chances that you're not going to get the idea behind making money from VUCA Media. So VUCA Media is like more like Medium, if you are very familiar with Medium. So you are going to be paid for writing a content. So as you can see, there are a lot of content over here. My secret behind blowing screen and LT God. So there are a lot of people that are writing content and they are paying them per people that actually read the content on this website, so they are paying them heavily. So for you to get started, let's try to register on this platform. So I'm going to log out to be able to show you exactly how you can register. So sign out. For you to get started, you have to click on join now and fill in your details, your name, your email and your password, and be able to sign up. So after signing up, you are going to receive a mail in your inbox and register successfully. So right now, let me just log in to walk you through the entire process of how you can post content on vucamedia.com. So let me log in. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, if you want to post content on this website vucamedia.com, you have to come to create a story. So you can create a story on this platform. So this is the title and you are going to write a content. You can actually write different kind of content ranging from poem. If you know how to write poem very well, is sell more on this website. So but right now I have a write-up on my Google Doc, so I'm just going to copy and paste it to show you exactly how you can post content. So this is the title, you paste it over here, then like the body of the content. So I'm going to copy the body of the content to actually show you how you can post content. So I'm just going to copy it, then come over to the writing, start writing, and then you copy it. Actually, you can actually write any kind of content. One of the major content that is gaining more momentum on this website. So let me go back to show you some of the top stories to be able to gain more ideas. So as you can see, my secrets behind blowing skin and healthy gut. So how to naturally boost your skin glow from inside. So there are a lot of people that is writing content. You can write different kind of content as far as you know that is going to get more viral, and when the content get more viral, you are going to make more money. So like right now, you can add affiliate link inside your content and more. So if you want to make peradventure, if you want to make this type of heading one, so you just have to alight on it, then click on heading. So I'm going to make it bold and heading. Also this one I'm going to make it under heading. So okay, so like I'm going to make this one also an heading. So top one, keep yourself hydrated. So I'm going to copy it also, make it heading. Right now, if you want to add an image, you have to come to this particular website called pixabay.com. pixabay.com. So we can search for something like morning routine. So morning routine. So you can search for morning routine, then paste it over here. Let's use this image. You know, this image actually represents what we are trying to post on the website. So I'm going to save the image to my computer. So save, then come over to VUCA Media. So right now, for us to be able to post on this website, you have to ensure that you fill in all the details, most especially subtitle. So I'm actually call it morning routine. Then come over to upload an image over here, upload an image, then find morning routine. So find morning routine, then open the image. So as you can see, we are good to go. So there is a particular way you can actually make more money on this website. So let me try to check, if this website is actually gaining more momentum on search engine. As you can see, this website have 66 domain authority and a lot of root domain, so and it's ranking for a lot of keywords. So this website is a good website for you to start promoting your affiliate product, because I've used this website to promote a lot of products online from Clickbag, Digistore. So let me show you some of the content I've published. So as you can see, these are affiliate products. So they allow affiliate product on like Medium that are just going to suspend your account promoting affiliate products. So I promote a lot of products and make a lot of money with this website. So if you are much familiar with affiliate marketing, you will know that all these articles are majorly product reviews. So if you are very much okay about product review, you can actually publish product review on this website. They are going to approve your content instantly. So right now, I think we are good to go. We don't really need much editing to do. So if you want to add link, peradventure you copy your affiliate link from any website like Clickbank, actually highlight a particular text, then you can bold it and add your affiliate link. You can add your affiliate link and paste your affiliate link over here. So let me try. Okay, let's assume this is my affiliate link here. Copy it, then paste your affiliate link, then you are good to go. So whenever this content work on Google, definitely you are going to start making thousands of money through affiliate marketing. Then you now click on save to be able to save the content and publish it. So your content is going to be approved within 24 hours. So after you have saved it, so you are going to submit it for review. So it takes majorly 24 hours. But for those of you that doesn't know how to write content and you really want to make more money on Vocal Media, so the best method I can recommend is for you to come to this particular AI content writer, which is Jasper.ai. So I've been using Jasper.ai for some times now, and the content is more like a human being, that actually write content for you. So you can write several content with Jasper.ai, like listicle contents, like top 10 content, which is, let's check, which is also available on this website. So there are a lot of top 10 content people have written that are actually gaining a lot of visitors. So let me try to go to the next page. So second page, to show you that people are actually writing top 10 content that are gaining more momentum on this website. So page 3. Okay, see, as you can see, 5 incredible, successful, and outrageous controversial. So let's click on it to see the template. So 5 incredible, successful, and outrageous, controversial animated story. So you can actually write this kind of content with AI, Jasper.ai. So it's going to be much okay. You can write it and publish it on Vocal Media and make more money. So in conclusion, let me show you everything you need to know about Vocal Media. So let's come to Vocal Media Plus to be able to show you some of the things you need to know. So you have to upgrade to their membership plan, which is $49 per year, and you're going to save $50. So there's a lot of advantage upgrading. So let's check the advantage. For example, if you upgrade to their membership plan, you are going to get $6 per 1,000 reader that actually read your content. This thing is, if you want to get this, is very easy, very, very easy, because the website is gaining more momentum and rank well on Google. So if you are free member, you are only allowed to earn 3.80. So, and also minimum withdrawing, you can actually withdraw when you reach $20 on a Vocal Media Plus account. So if you are a free member, when your balance reaches $35, you can withdraw directly with through Stripe account. So, and there is a lot of benefits you can actually enjoy being a paid member. So let me show you lastly what you can actually enjoy being on this platform. So let's go back to home. So you can make more money with Vocal Media with these challenges that is going on right now. So as you can see, this is one of the challenges. After the parade, write a poem reflecting on the word you place in. So you can actually earn money, more money on Vocal Media participating in this challenge. So runaway train, write a fiction story set abroad a runaway train. So you can actually earn up to $10,000 whenever you participate in these challenges. So there is another one, which is campaign ghost story. Write a scary fiction story, give you a sentence and win $10,000. So you can actually earn a lot. So you can be among the, let me show you, let me click on this first one. So as you can see, the first place 5,000 plus 30 minutes with Puelt George Caroline bed. So second place $1,000, and the third 50th runner $50. So you can actually be among the 50 runner. All you have to do is just to participate in these challenges and make more money. So I hope you find great value in this content. You know, if you have been trying to make money online, this is going to be a great opportunity for you to make money through your writing skills. You can actually enter the competition and make more money. So thanks for watching today's video. Ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be able to get more updates like this. Thanks. Bye.